How to get out of maintenance mode on Samsung phone. If you want to exit maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy device, then these are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to exit maintenance mode in your Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Galaxy device. Scroll down until you get to device care. This is a built-in Samsung feature. Click on it. Now, under device care, you simply need to scroll down and click on maintenance mode. Then, go ahead and type exit. If you don't want to go this far, just swipe down from the top left. Click on your phone is in maintenance mode. Then tap here to exit. So, both approach is the same. Go ahead and click on exit. Then click on restart as you need to restart to exit maintenance mode. Once you click on restart, you'll be prompted to type in your Samsung phone password. Go ahead and type in your password and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to hang on a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to restart in normal mode, and that is going to exit the maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. And that's it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.